to another room tour. Today we are in Tokyo. We are staying at the Tokyo Bay Shiomi Prince Hotel and we are on the 10th floor. This is a 3-person bedroom. Start off in the vestibule area, which also serves as your vanity area. So we have a large mirror with backlighting, sink. All of the toiletries are included, so there's hand wash, toothbrushes. Underneath the sink are the towels. The hotel also provides pyjamas, which are changed daily, as well as slippers. And there's also down here a shoehorn, a brush for taking off any loose hairs on your suit, and air freshener. By the door there are the do not disturb buttons and makeup room buttons, which light up in the corridor for the maid to see. Then we have the toilet facilities. As to be expected, it is a Japanese style toilet with a built-in bidet. It has all of the usual functions: oscillation, increases in pressure, you're able to change the direction of the water nozzle, and you're able to use both the front and the rear position. Next we have the bath and shower room. Now this is more of a wet room. It has a deep sunk bath as well as a shower. Really good shower pressure with Bigelow toiletries, shampoo, shower gel and conditioner. Additional amenities can be requested from reception, such as moisturiser, shaving brush, and all of the usual hotel amenities. Next we'll go into the bedroom area. So this is a 3-person room, so we have a double king bed and a single bed, which Rufus is currently passed out on in his traditional Japanese pyjamas. On each side of the bed you have USB power, AC power. There's a night light under each bed. There's a footlight under each bed, night light overhead, and a reading light. Bed's really comfortable. 2 pillows and a cushion provided per person. There's a small area for hanging your clothes. Then we have the TV. It is a smart TV. It has Netflix, Paramount, Prime, Disney Plus, YouTube, all of the usual streaming apps built in, and you can connect your phone or tablet to the TV if you're connected to the Wi-Fi, which will allow you to stream your devices directly to the TV. On the other side of the bed you have additional lighting controls, as well as lighting for the backlight. There is a small telephone. There's a small coffee table area along with 2 chairs, and then our third bed also has USB charging, AC power and night light controls. Just outside the window is Shiomi Station. We're about 3 stops from the Disney Tokyo Resort and 4 stops from downtown Tokyo. It's about 300 yen to go to Tokyo, 400 yen to Shiomi. Takes around 5 and 10 minutes respectively to get to each of those destinations. In each room is also provided an air purifier alongside the usual air conditioning controls. And then finally we have the mini bar and other drinking facilities. So the hotel provides a Nespresso machine, as well as complimentary Nespresso pods, which are replaced daily. They also provide complimentary mineral water. Some of the other additional really nice touches we found in the hotel: there's an analog style digital radio, notepad, tissues, and they also provide this multi-adapter USB charger, so no matter what type of USB device you have, you'll be able to charge from within your room. So that's it for this room tour. Thank you once again. Please give us a like and a subscribe if you're interested in seeing more room tours from our travels around the world.